Hello. Today, we will discuss spirituality and self-knowledge. Spirituality is a profound and introspective journey based on true self-knowledge and understanding. Often, people believe that being engaged in constant worship and prayer is the essence of spirituality, but this is a very mistaken belief. Performing external rituals without a deep understanding does not help in recognizing one's true self. You may have heard people emphasizing clear pronunciation of verses. They might be able to understand the translation of the verses, but they often lack knowledge of the deeper meaning of the verses or mantras. Our elders also tend to give great importance to such individuals because they do not understand the real significance of the verses or mantras. They are impressed merely by the memorized verses and, due to ignorance, consider such individuals to be spiritual. In reality, it is the deep meaning of the Vedic and Upanishadic verses that leads to self-knowledge and helps us become spiritual. Our ego often leads us to believe that we are extremely important. Self-knowledge helps us understand the truth that we are just ordinary beings like other creatures in the universe and on earth. We tend to give undue importance to our minor pleasures and failures, ignoring the reality of life. Self-knowledge, which is centered around understanding oneself, teaches us that our lifespan is limited and our life is not just about accumulating wealth and material pleasures. We should fully experience all aspects of life. In reality, our needs are very simple: food, clothing, shelter, and a bit of money. Despite this, we waste our limited time trying to impress others, time that we will never get back. To meet our social expectations and fulfill our roles, we face unnecessary pressure and stress. But true self-knowledge reveals to us that, despite our efforts, we can never fully satisfy everyone. Accepting this reality and prioritizing our own happiness over trying to please others is what true self-knowledge is about. When we do not understand the depth of our own soul, we cannot teach our children the true values of life and spirituality. Therefore, acquiring self-knowledge is essential so that we can provide proper guidance and a true understanding of life to our children. Self-knowledge is an eternal wisdom, gained through a deep understanding of the verses and prayers described in the Vedas. If someone claims to be self-realized, they are not only misleading themselves but also others. It is crucial to recognize and avoid individuals who claim to have self-knowledge based on mere external rituals or pretenses. True self-knowledge comes from continuous self-reflection and inner exploration, and a true self-realized person never claims to be self-realized. Spirituality and self-knowledge are like a journey that brings us closer to ourselves. Only those who truly desire self-knowledge can achieve real spirituality. We hope this explanation helps you understand the true meaning of spirituality and self-knowledge. Thank you.